It's that time of the month again. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, where I talk to you about my dressmaking journey. Today I have another unboxing for you. This is the fabric Godmother Dream Wardrobe June box and we are going to open it together. Now, as you can see, I have not opened it myself yet. I do not know what the contents are. So I'm going to open it with you. This is always so satisfying, isn't it? Alright. Oh, I can feel the fabric. That's nice. Right, let me see if I can actually find the pattern first. Oh! First sneak peek look. Looking good. I think it's like a viscose crepe kind of fabric. Thread. The gift is pencils. Kylie and the Machine pencils. Just regular pencils, which is good because I love to sketch out my makes, so I will definitely use those. The pattern, oh, interesting. It's the Ether dress by Pattern Fantastique. So it is quite interesting. It has like these flouncy sleeves. So it's quite interesting. It has these fancy sleeves and then kind of like a V neckline and then with like straps, I want to say. Okay, let me read what the pattern says. The Ether dress design was inspired by a light, puffy, cloud-like seersucker fabric with simple construction, maximizing volume and texture. The Ether will make you feel like you are from another world. I guess the name Ether, why? The structure is anchored by a fabric rope that ties off at the center front split. The rope crosses at the center back into a loop radiating gathers. So I think I will make this one actually. I quite like the way that looks. The sleeved version. It has like a keyhole kind of thing at the back going on. It's looking quite interesting. So yeah, and then this is the fabric, which I love this fabric. It has beautiful colors. So it has leaves on it and monkeys everywhere as well. And it has this lovely color. I think now I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get this earlier because I would have loved to make this up for my holiday, but I do not think I have enough time now. So that's a shame. But then let me see what the newsletter thing says. Okay, so the fabric is a seersucker, and it does say that some of the rolls have been compressed, so it gives it a smoother appearance. So that's why I thought it was more of a viscose at first, but apparently the seersucker things will return once you wash it, so that should be good. So I now see Josie's version on the newsletter and I can see how oversized it is, and it's actually a little bit of a turn off. So I am wondering, should I make it and make a belt with it or have a belt with it? Also, the neckline's not as low as I thought it was. So it's more of it, like it comes out as to be like kind of a scoop neckline over the bust. Even higher than the high bust, I think. It sits quite high. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. Well, the fabric. Oh, apparently it's brand new unreleased fabric. And there's 3.4 meters in the box. So that will give me the opportunity to make a different dress with it as well. Now, I got the Collie dress pattern. My husband bought that for me, which takes 3.5 meters of fabric. But I was looking to make that in a bit more structured fabric, so I'm not sure this is the right thing. But yeah, let me know below if you have any suggestions for patterns. What should I make with this fabric? Because I definitely do want to use it, and if I make this into something I really love, I feel like I'm going to wear this a lot because I love this fabric. The print is amazing. The colors are exactly my colors, actually. So yes, suggestions please. The suggestions given by Fabric Godmother herself are the Halen Dress Paradise Patterns. Sorry, I should say that right. The Halen Dress by Paradise Patterns, which has a tiered bottom. Now, I don't like tiers, extra tiers, and it's also fairly oversized. So the other suggestion she's making is the True Bias Mauve skirt, which is very tiered. Don't really like that look. Then the Valley dress by Paradise Patterns, again oversized. Everything is oversized. The only thing that's not oversized that's here is the Silver Saga Clara dress, which I think has like shirring or very interesting pleating. Let me see if I can find some details. I think it has like 2 elastic channels. It's looking quite interesting. It's not enough pictures in my opinion. What does it say? It's inspired by Victorian chemise dresses with a modern twist. 3/4 length dramatic puff sleeves with elasticated cuffs. The bodice, yeah, has 2 channels of elastic at your underbust and waist, so that gives it a very interesting detail. I've never seen this pattern before. I'm definitely gonna have to try this. I can see myself wearing that. But as I said again, I am very much open to suggestions. So that is all for me today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and for now, let's go sew.